Tonight I'm playing for a friend of mine by the name of David Roberts, whose music is a tribute to Frank Sinatra. I'm also getting to play with my friends Don and Charlie, which sweetens the deal. But right now we're waiting to be let in. We're at the Hilton Orlando, and this is where we're meant to be going, but I think they've lost the key. Hey David!
This is part of the vlog.
This is part of the vlog. What's going on?
If we ever get there, this is going to be a great night.
Oh, right, we're making progress. So we finally made it, and this is where we'll be playing, I believe, over on that stage there. Officers, the moment you hear a bass solo, we need you to arrest this man here, please.
Can't you see?
This is what's going on indoors.
Without you, take my lips.
Oh my word.
I won't lose them. Get a piece of these arms. I'll never use them. And your goodbye.
What do you think, Don? Is it worth our careers to do what I think we really should be doing right now?
Make it without you. You took a part, used to be my heart. So why not take all?
I will be visiting that room again at some point this evening.
Why not take all of me?
They got French fries. Oh, this is awesome.
So we play an hour for two guys.
And they get to eat food like this. I should point out that if you're a gigging musician, this is not the norm. So if it ever comes up, grab it. Well, right now, the wedding party is all inside. And we're basically playing to an empty arena. But that's okay, because I like playing with these guys, so we have fun. Oh, yes. Verdict on the desserts, gentlemen?
Excellent.
My darling,
Mickey and Minnie turned up for the wedding. Say hi.
start to fall when I'm
A wedding with fireworks. Now that is awesome.